Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is a day in my life. My day starts around 4 o'clock, and the first thing that I drink is this little water that had coriander seeds soaked overnight. Next, I make my bed, and that's Simba's toy. I just brush my teeth and I hop in the shower. This is me after I've showered and I leave the house. So hard to say bye to Simba. I leave the house around 4:50 or like 5-ish and get to my stop. This is how the day was looking like. It's really beautiful. It's kind of just around sunrise, so I get really pretty views in the morning. However, when I get onto the bus, that's the first bus, and there is no one in the bus, just me. And I do my makeup on the bus because it takes me about 10 minutes to get to my stop. So here I am all done. Now I get off at my stop and I am just walking and showing you guys how beautiful the day looks like. I was trying to like focus on the beautiful sunrise over there. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. And it's not too busy in the morning at like 5. There's still some people, but not that many. But look at that view. Now, once I walk from my stop, I go to Gurdwara Sahib. I get there around 5:30 or just a little before, and I go to the Gurdwara Sahib Guru Nanak Sikh Temple. It's at 70th and Scott Road. I am getting in there, putting my shoes in the rack. Then I have my head cover on and I'm washing my feet. Once I do everything, I am at the langar. It's kind of like my breakfast. Sometimes I take tea, sometimes I take milk. Now I am just heading towards my stop, and the favorite part about the walk from my stop to and from Gurdwara Sahib are these like flowers. And I think there was a little bit of that rainbow that I just noticed like while I'm editing it. I promise you I didn't even see it on the day. Like I didn't even notice the rainbow by myself. But there are so many colors of roses, so many flowers, and I've always loved flowers. Like when I used to go to Gurdwara Sahib in India with my mom, we would walk and I would see a pretty flower and I would say, "Can I please take it?" And my mom would say, "No." But I have always loved flowers. I think I just stop by sometimes. Once in a while, I stop by to smell them, but I know everybody's just so busy these days. Everyone in a rush, they don't even see everything around them. So beautiful patterns on the sky. Like, look at how gorgeous. It's just so pretty and it's so calming. The first thing in the morning, very calming and peaceful. I got to my stop here and I wait for the bus. Then I get to the SkyTrain station and I'm headed towards my work. I am here in Vancouver, got my Starbucks latte, and then I'm just headed to my work. This is my work outfit, just a little professional. This is me just checking in all the emails, anything that I had from yesterday, making sure that I respond back to everything, and having my latte at the same time because I don't drink it every day, but when I do drink it, it kind of makes me so happy. This is just me heading back to my house. Don't know how I was walking though. This is me saying hi to Simba after like 12 and a half or 13 hours. I just keep looking forward to like go home and see him and cuddle him. This is me doing my skincare, like makeup removal and everything. As I showed you guys earlier that I do my makeup in the bus, so I don't really do foundation and everything. I do like concealer, mascara, eyebrows, like main kind of stuff. So it's just basic makeup look, and this is me taking my makeup off. So as you guys may already know, but if you're new, I use makeup balm to melt my makeup the first thing. I don't go in with the cleanser or anything. I have to make sure that I use a micellar water, or I use some kind of makeup balm, no wipes, no nothing. And this makeup like sponge thing that I have, cleansing sponge, this is from the brand called Say, and it's really soft on the skin, so I don't really have to worry about it being harsh. Once I'm done with that, I wash my face. So this is me after I've done the double cleansing. Then I am going ahead with my aloe vera gel, because I have like backups of aloe vera gel, and I can't tell you guys how it has just transformed my skin. Like if I have a pimple, if I see some hyperpigmentation, any spots, I just put aloe vera gel. This is me using Tula eye cream. This is very cooling, very nice for my under eyes after the whole day of stress and heat and humidity, and it just feels so good to have a cooling product on the face. Next, I am using my rose, it's, I think it's my essence or something from the brand called Fresh, and it smells really good, and I've been using this for a while now, and I really like how it makes my skin feel. Then I go ahead with my sleep serum kind of thing. I don't take too much of it, but I still have to put a serum to make sure that my skin's getting all the good ingredients that it needs. And yeah, this is me like showing off my skin a little bit, okay? Stop doing that. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my sleeping mask. You guys would have seen this in my previous videos as well. I use the Dr. brand. Sorry, I'm not showing any products because I've shown all my products before. This is the Dr. brand sleeping mask. It doesn't smell the best. Like it smells fresh, like healthy, greeny type of thing, but it's okay. It really keeps my face fully like moisturized. Then there is an eyelash serum that I've been like testing for about a month-ish. I will post my before and after so you guys can tell me if you notice any difference. But yeah, I don't know, I was doing like a little happy dance because I think I could show you my face in sun, maybe. And oh, here I thought that I'm done, but I forgot my lip balm. So this is the Laneige lip mask. Once I'm done with this, I just sit down to watch a 20-minute episode of Anupama every single day. I have to watch it. There's only one show that I watch. I'm just so invested in the story. Then I have to feed Simba around 6 or little ish, and I almost spilled, but no, I saved it. And Simba's looking like, wait, why are we filming today? Then I sit down to do some work on the Instagram, TikTok, wherever, it depends. Then I have my dinner depending on whatever I'm in the mood for. Then I watched the Kapil Sharma show. This was just the one I was interested in. Brushed my teeth, and obviously, when it's time for bed, Simba needs his treats. He just would not let me get to bed if I did not give him treats. So there's that. And then once we're on the bed, this is our cuddle time, and honestly my favorite time of the day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this a day in my life video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.